Well, hello friends. So today I picked up a brand new phone and I was astounded when the salesperson told me that this particular phone has a megapixel camera that's 48 and my old one was 15, and I really loved my old one. So go back, this is the very first video I've made with the new phone that's supposedly got a camera that's 3 times better than the one that was supposedly already better than an iPhone camera. So just go back to like the last video I posted before this one and compare it to this one and tell me if it's really 3 times better, about the same, if it's worse, any noticeable difference whatsoever. I'd love to hear your opinions about that. And all things remaining constant, obviously that's not possible because different lighting, different situation, different scenario. So just use your best judgment, and I'm curious to read the comments that are going to be hopefully dropped below. And the phone that I have now, what is it? Coming into a stoplight here, I can do this safely. It's called the OnePlus. The brand new OnePlus by T-Mobile. It was probably made by somebody else. T-Mobile resells other people's hardware. Whoever makes OnePlus, and it's still OnePlus. Yeah, OnePlus. Whoever still makes Androids. And my last one was a Galaxy Samsung S8, I think, from about 1.5 years ago. All right. Talk to you soon. Mwah.